Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tradespeople's Tips. Now, as you can see, we've got some rust mark on our window, yeah? Now, easiest way I've found to get rid of that is, you need one of these, buy it on your local thing. You can put soap on it if you want, you don't have to. And then, in here, you see the decking still going on good, eh? Yeah? In here, we have some Ajax. So we put a bit of that on there. Oh, it's going all over the gaff. Alright, so what we're gonna do, put that there. Let's get that wet first, eh? A bit of water. Get that. Sprinkle it on there. Put that away over there. Then we get this.
No, and that's one thing I never feel. You. What are you doing outside?
There you go, as you can see, it's disappearing, no problem. You don't even have to put pressure on it, as in to say you're gonna mark your PVC. So I'm gonna crack on with that and show you the end result. Okay, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. 5 minutes work. That's all it took. Yep, so that's how you clean your PVC window frame of rust marks. Yep. Okay, then till next time, take care of each other and stop ripping people off. Yeah? Easy, do it yourself.